Yeah, and just one more question. We know that shirk is a major sin, and Allah Azza wa Jal will forgive all the sins except shirk.
Yes.
But some of my relatives, unfortunately, in India, Pakistan, have passed away while doing shirk. So is there any way we can ask for forgiveness for them by sending somebody Hajj Badal, or is there any way, or they are gone for hell?
If a person was a Muslim and a mu'min and they believed in Allah and they said the Shahada and they repeated the Shahada, you don't know upon what condition they've passed away, you will treat them as Muslim. So a Muslim who engages in shirkiyat, it's wrong for them to do that. But you know, there is a hadith which speaks about how in the last of times a person in the morning will be a Muslim, in the evening will be a kafir, or in the evening will be a Muslim, and in the morning will disbelieve, and so on. So if you take a look at that, what we need to treat a person with is face value. If the person claims they are mu'mineen, they have engaged in a few things, by the will of Allah we make dua for them. We ask Allah to forgive them. We ask Allah to have made them die upon forgiveness. Because if that person has to say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh as the last words before they've passed away, who knows? You know what I'm trying to say? So if a person is a total disbeliever, then there is a different ruling in that regard, where we have been controlled and limited in terms of what type of dua we can make for them when they've passed away. But when it comes to a person who's supposed to have been a Muslim, then hisabuhum ala Allah, we can ask, oh Allah, forgive that uncle of mine, he was a Muslim. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us, and may Allah knows best. Jazakallah khair.
Just like that.